So I don't know. Try to make it. No, I'm gonna make it. So yeah, they ain't always looking for me, but you know, they used to follow people. I'm about to go. Well, I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go across the street. So this is where I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go across the street. I'm about to go across. Ooh. What the fuck? People across the street. No, we go across the street. I'm gonna go across the street. So yeah. Switches. I don't know who's using that. Just turn it on, bro. Okay. Damn, gotta go this way. Is that they all want me to go this way? I gotta go this way. I'm bad. So yeah. It used to be happy over here. I'm just saying they probably wait till I leave and be happy. What the hell? They be flipping switches like a motherfucker. They be flipping switches like a motherfucker. Oh yeah. Sir Mac Produce. Yeah. On my way on home. Oh yeah, when he was right here in this corner, he's agitated like right here on this corner. He tried to make me run. Try to make him run me over. This car right here. Feel like he wanted to try to make him run me over. He said, "Damn, why y'all do that? I want to go past you, my boy." Cabinary. So they found, ooh, damn. That's hella. All that ass. So yeah, gotta hurry up. Go home. So yeah. Oh yeah. Remember when I said like I think it's over here, and that's like right over here. I was going along Archer, going up Archer. My bad. Like it's over here, like right along here, and that's when I noticed the motherfucker. They was like right up over here. They was like pissing me off. And so yeah, 2015 when I was going to FedEx, like up here, Archer, I think it's right here. I think I was going up here. I think this Archer going up here, 2015. And then that's when I noticed they turned on their hazard. Motherfucker. They turned on their hazard and said, "Oh, $15 for pizza. $20. That's decent. Family size. That's decent. A dog, that's decent. You can't even lie, that's decent. That's decent. Let's see these menu prices. 2 liter. Okay, you might as well throw 2 liter off the window because that's across the street. I'll throw the 2 liter off the window. Pizza puff, $4.50, burgers. Yeah, stuff got expensive, bro. Italian beef. It used to be like $7. I know taxes went up. Shit just got expensive. Pork chop, Philly gyro, Reno salad, Hawaiian burger, pizza burger. I mean, it's decent. I don't think it's bad. I know, like the price went up, bro. You know, it's inflation, so you know. And then see, it used to be people sitting outside eating pizza, bro. It used to be like people just sit outside and they eat. I'm gonna find a way to piss, my nigga. I ain't worried about that. But it's like Hispanics and I guess it's Hispanics and Mexicans. So, so yeah. We got a little cowboy sitting on a horse. Yeah, I turned my Wi-Fi off. My Wi-Fi was on. I'm like, my Wi-Fi on. Turned it off. Yeah, I feel it right here. I'm gonna make him turn around. I gotta turn mine down. That's why I turned that shit off. I feel it over here too. I do. It don't matter. We on 36 in Damien. This is 36 in Damien. See look, Damien. You don't see the 36. See look, should be shutting down. People ain't got no money. Or is it people making better health choices? People do like these. Are these the cars that people like? No, taxi cars. Taxi cars are good cars. Or the taxi cars that was like, I'm trying to go past. Try to go past. Ooh, it's hot. Hot. It's hot. Hot and cold. Hot and cold. They couldn't decide which one. They said we're just gonna do hot and cold. Okay, we got some $1,000, some free snacks right here. Ooh, I don't want to be greedy because I got a link. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, you already know. I'm sorry, I'm gonna take this. Take this applesauce. I know I don't need it because I got a link. That's being greedy. I ain't trying to be greedy, Ryan. That's greedy. That's greedy. But I just took the applesauce, bro. I didn't want to be greedy. I wasn't gonna get it. But yeah, I just got the applesauce. So yeah. Oh wow. Wow. Okay. Gotta speed up. And the cold chills too. Excuse me, and go this way. Speed. Before they start, drive past the more switches. They drive past like a motherfucker. Motherfucker, whip, zap, zapping. I gotta go, nigga. I gotta go. Get out of here. And I think it affects Pacific people. Yeah, it affects specific people, like sleeping down in your sleep if you got that dream world stuff. I don't know how they do that though. Piss over here. Make me piss. Okay. Gotta go this way. I'll find me a spot. I'm thinking about it. I was thinking about it. Motherfucker lot. Could have pissed in there. All the eyeballs out here. Why is it making me piss like a motherfucker? You doing that shit high as fuck. The wheels look nice. Hit this. Oh yeah. Trying to make me pee on myself. Nigga, I'm about to hit the block. Here we go. You know what? I see an alley. I'm about to go and piss in this alley. Some people coming. Yeah, I see. Make me piss. Let me check. I might get pissed right here. But I see some people coming down the block. Let me check. It make me piss on the hell. You got a piss. Let me check. I can piss right now. Let me piss. My person. That's a fat ass cat. Not right here. He said it makes me piss, bro. So, I don't think I could piss over here. Damn. I don't think I could piss. Let me. Yeah, you walking past. That's that.